Hello everyone, and meet the magical glow in the Dark Toddler Chair from Magic Handle. Just place this moon gray sofa under bright light to see the night sky illuminate. The high-quality plush polyester cover provides extra soft comfort for your little ones to relax. This perfectly sized armchair features a sturdy carrying handle for easy movement around the house. You can easily remove the machine-washable cover whenever it needs a quick and simple refresh. It arrives vacuum-packed and expands fully within 24 hours for immediate playtime fun. Give your child a cozy spot that sparks creativity and wonder every single night. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.